What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today I'm here with this hair company, Mslynn. Okay, it says focus on 100% human hair. It has their social media, everything on the box, hair care, how to wash your wig and all of that on the back of the box. It has their email, their WhatsApp number, super informative box. But yeah, so that's how the box looks. So let's see what's inside. Honey, today we're doing a switch up in the video because today I'm going to be showing you guys two videos in one, because guess what, they have this deal, like a combo deal, like a combo wig deal, so you get two wigs at a price. Isn't that cool? I've never done this in any video before. Okay, so I could simply just do this like from a day to night, you know, like how you have day to night makeup, like day to night wig look. But honestly, you could literally wear these wigs any time of the day that you want. So let's get into the wigs. So I got two wigs there. I got extra elastic band here. I got this extra string that they tied in a bow. I got more elastic band, I guess because it's two wigs, and a pair of lashes. So that's everything that came in this box today. Not that much, but you know, well, I work with it. A two wig we have. First wig I have here for today's combo deal is this one. It's a 14-inch 4x4 bob. Okay, it's of a natural hair color, and it's 150% in density, and it's of a straight texture, as you guys can see. It's a closure, as I said, a 4x4 closure wig. So this is one of those easy wigs to put on. Super easy. Construction of the wig is standard, has adjustable straps in the back, and it comes with three combs in total, two at the front here and one in the back. Yeah, and that's how the closure portion looks. It's a center part. We are gonna jump into installing this one first, but before I move on, I want to show you the next wig before I move on. So this one is a 14-inch 4x4 bob again. So it's a bob thing today. It's a whole bob theme. So this is of a natural color as well, and as you can see, this is curly. It's 150% in density. Nice tight curls, and again a 4x4 lace closure. I'm gonna go ahead and install, which one should I really install first? Should I do this one first? I think I'm gonna do this one last, because you guys know I love my curlies, so that's the only reason why I'm gonna save this one for last. So let's jump into the whole application. It's pretty snug. I adjusted the adjustable straps in the back. I'm just gonna go ahead and try my best to make the top as flat. You know how we try to finesse the closures to still look like a frontal. So I'm going to just make sure the lace portion is well secure, and I might pluck it a little because it's too straight for my liking. But we're gonna fix that. We're gonna work on that. So that's all I'm gonna do now.
Those hands and lights can't stop me. I just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. When I'm with you, when I'm with you, I'm with you. This high.
gonna focus on really laying the closure as flat as possible.
Give up this
finesse this to make it look like it's a frontal and not a closure, right? Okay, so by the way, the density, this is 150, but it actually feel like a little less. It doesn't feel as dense to me, but it looks very natural. Yeah, bear that in mind. It feels good. It's nice and flowy. You see that? It looks so natural. It's not heavy. It's very manageable, very easy to style. You see, as long as I have this part down to just finesse the closure to make it lay flat, you're good. It's a win. So now that you've seen this one, let's jump into trying on the next one. This is like a mini wig haul today. So yeah, I'm going to literally uninstall this one and install the curly one, and the curly one is going to be way less work because now that's curly. I don't have to flat iron that or curl that. You just wet that up and it's good to go. So let's go and install the curly one. One thing I realized with this texture though, as I said, it's curly before, but it's like on the coarser side. It's not that soft, but of course because it's so short, it's very like manageable. I'm not using anything special, just some Tresemme conditioner and water that I'm gonna use to get it really nice and juicy.
those hands and lights can't stop me. I just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. Now with you, now with you,
that is it. Literally all I use, as I said before, is the Tresemme conditioner that I have here. It's to clean and replenish. Honestly, I don't even pay that no mind. I just make sure that it's conditioner, it's wig, it's a wig. So you know, I just make sure that I mix that with some water and I'm good to go. So you see how much that tamed the hair, giving it that nice wet look. And yeah, that's how that looks. So it's a 2-in-1 kind of video, and I don't know, let me know what you guys think about this. You know, I'm going to have the direct link to this exact combo that I showed you in this video, guys, a direct link, so you get the same curly bob and the same straight bob that I showed you previously for one price. So isn't that cool? I know. So you're going on vacation, I feel like this is easy. Like, it's easy install to me. Oh, and by the way, I don't know if you guys noticed, today I use my olive oil grip gel again in combination with the olive oil holding spray. They work like a dream. Way easier to work with, I'm gonna say, than Got2b. But I'm gonna continue to use my Got2b because I actually got a new product that it came with. I don't think it's that new anymore, but that's for another video. Let's not go off into rambling. But yeah, this is what I use today for the install. Makes life so easy. So like, if you're going on vacation and you want to switch up looks, I do feel like closure wigs are easier to work with. That's just how I feel, because you can finesse it and lay it and have it looking like an actual frontal when it's not. Me though, personally, I prefer my frontals because you get to pull back your hair completely. You can still do that with this, but it's like, I want to show edges, you know? But this still works. It's gorgeous. The only thing, as I said before, I noticed for curly hair, for a curly texture, it was a little bit more on the coarser side, and even after wetting it, I kind of like see some like flyaways, you know. But that's that, you know. It's a nice cute bob. This is perfect for spring, perfect for summer, perfect look. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and do so. Like this video, share this video. Yeah, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and big up on yourself.